Welcome back, guys. And this we're wrapping up this section about
why is there 200 months?
You should always follow your mom and whoever God's instructions, because maybe they could be telling you the right thing. Because if they tell you to don't, this is nobody be mad at me about this. But if they tell you don't go to thug life and you go there, what can happen? You can maybe turn into a gangster.
And you could probably die.
Exactly. Because they could tell you to kill somebody, and what's that? That's against God's will. That's already a sin right there. So.
It's already a sin. There is already a sin. It's like two sins right there. Cause if your parents say don't go left, you're gonna go where? You're gonna go right. But if you don't, you're gonna go left. Let's say it's a killer over there, and then it's happiness over here. Which way you gonna go? And your parents tell you not to go to the right, left, and you go to the left, you're gonna end up. There's a good chance you're gonna die. And then whenever you do die, what's gonna happen whenever you go up in heaven?
You might not even go to heaven.
Because Jesus gonna look at you.
Actually, when somebody else kills you, if you're right with Jesus, you go.
Yep. Right.
But simple disobedience, that actually sets you back, but not far enough to where you can't go.
Yep.
But it's all determined on Judgment Day.
When Judgment Day comes.
But the thing is, there are two holding pens. There's a holding pen in heaven. There's a holding pen called hell. So both of them are holding pens.
Go down there.
So when you go to hell, which is a holding pen, and then you go to outside of heaven, which is also a holding pen, you have to go to court, which is the Judgment Day. It's just like the judicial system, except one is positive, one is negative. So we only have one judicial system, and that's if you do something wrong. Spiritually, you have two judicial systems. You do something right, you do something right. You go to a place of happiness for the right people, and for the wrong people, you go to jail, which is, Hades.
Yep.
So when you get called up to court, which is the Judgment Day, you will see everything you ever done in your life, and God would say, "Well done, my servant," or He'll say, "Depart from me, for I never knew ye." So obedience is still important. So this is a wrap up of this lesson. So
we just wanted to come on here and finish this discussion we had in the meeting.
All week we've been doing this. I preach about it Sunday, and then me, Roderick, and Anastasia discussed it. Me, Deacon Durden, and Deaconess Durden been discussing Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and now we're gonna end today by me saying, obey your mom, obey your dad, obey your teachers, obey your pastors, and obey God most importantly.
God we trust. Amen.
So now, the next time you see us, we will be talking about a different part of this in the children's series. We will be talking about showing love and compassion. Well, that's next week. We'll be talking about showing forgiveness. There's also going to be a sermon coming up on Sunday about forgiveness once again. But for right now, pray. Wait.
Jehovah, thank you for this day. Thank you for making me realize how important it is to follow and obey what you tell us to do. I hope that you will still let me